Hello guys and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be going over how to fix Black Ops 6 Warzone keeps crashing, and let's get straight into it. So the first thing that you guys can do is you can go over to your game and just go ahead and restart it. So either restart Xbox or PS5 or PC, whatever you're on, it doesn't matter, just restart it. And you can also restart the application as well, so just close it and then turn it back on. That's the first thing you guys can do. The second method you guys can try doing is if you're on PC and you have Black Ops 6 downloaded through Steam, go ahead and open up Steam, go over to Library, head over to Call of Duty, right click on it, hit Properties, and then go over to, well, I don't have it installed, but you're going to have it installed, and it's going to say for you installed files. Go over to verify this game's files are installed correctly, and then hit verify integrity of game files. Now, once that is done verifying, what that basically does is that it just removes any like harmful files or corrupt files, and then you guys should be good to go. You can go ahead and open it up, and then you can check to see if that also helps fix the issue. The third method you guys can try doing is simply go over to your Wi-Fi router, unplug it for about 30 seconds, plug it back in. I recommend restarting your PC right after, but it's up to you. But anyways, once your Wi-Fi router has been reset, you can go over to Black Ops 6 and then check to see if that fixes the issue. I also recommend using an Ethernet cable instead, because that does tend to help as well, and that will also give you faster internet speeds. And you make sure your drivers are also up to date. So go over to, if you're on NVIDIA, go over to GeForce Experience and just make sure your drivers are up to date. And once you're done with all of these steps, you guys should be good to go and you're all set. So yeah, that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.